We value your high performance, but you also need to learn how to uplift others. Kumusta mga kaboss? What do you do when someone hits their targets but damages team spirit? I know this is not an easy situation to deal with, but coming from experience, you need to do it. Kasi mafe-feel ng team nyo kung yung importante lang pala is pera-pera lang at bahala nang mag-suffer lahat basta yung top earner nasa company pa rin. You don't want to send that message. So my advice is to sit this person down and talk to that person kung ano yung effect nung ugali niya dun sa mga katrabaho niya. Another way to deal with this situation is to have an open forum. So give everyone a chance to open up and to talk to each other. Kasi minsan yung top performer mo lumalabas na kontrabida kasi they enforce the rules. So kailangan din maintindihan yun ng mga katrabaho niya. So it has to be a balanced conversation. Ano yung pwedeng i-improve nung top performer at ano rin naman yung pwedeng i-improve nung mga katrabaho niya to support the top performer. Isa pang pwede mong sabihin dun sa high performer is, we value your high performance, but you also need to learn how to uplift others. Your leadership does not only rely on what you can do on your own, but also how you can bring others with you para sabay-sabay umangat yung kumpanya.